And in 2009, started it along with a friend and as a branch of an Indian firm called MCA Associate, well-known chartered and Manoharan's firm. And that's how we started the firm. Always happy to look back, see what journey we had and how we came. I know only two places where I work. One is Chennai, one is Dubai. I still remember we started in Sheikh Zayed Road. We in fact took it in a Sheikh Zayed Road, a 3-bedroom house. But it was a big one for us. We had a strategy, 3 years, 5C, 2X.
Hello everyone and welcome to Inside a CA Firm with me, your host Gina Barwani. Today on this episode, we're in the city of Dubai to take you on an exclusive tour of MCA UAE, a leading firm in the GCC region. So let's get started as we understand from the founding partner how he started off this firm and what led him to envision this entire journey of MCA. So follow me along for more. Hi, can I please meet CA Venkatesh?
Oh, sure.
Hello, sir.
Hi, welcome. How are you?
Nice meeting you, sir.
Thank you.
It was lovely talking to you over emails and calls and finally meeting you over here.
It's the same year. Pleasure to welcome you to our office.
I see that you built a wonderful office. So I'm going to pick your brains on asking you what got you into CA, how you came to Dubai, and how you set up this entire organization. Please tell me all about it.
Thank you. Thanks for coming, first of all. Thanks for this initiative to come and take us through. And always it's happy to look back, see what journey we had and how we came. Actually, I'm article student from 86, 89. Went college in Chennai. Everything I know only two places where I work. One is Chennai, one is Dubai.
Okay.
So and that way, because when I want to move out of family from Chennai, I think that financially it's better to move to a Gulf country than to Bombay or Delhi. And that was always in my thought process. That's how I landed up in 96, got a job in Nestlé, and came for a job with Nestlé, and then worked in Nestlé for 12.5 years, like 96 to 2009 beginning. I was there in the Nestlé in various positions in finance. Then always I had my endeavor, like in the Hajj in my mind, we should do something on my own.
Correct.
And in fact, in between, before I tried with a travel business through my wife, way back in 2007. So something, because always entrepreneurship is what's inside. Even my college days, I used to do part-time, some selling like that.
Yeah.
So that is always in my thing that we should do something on my own.
So you've always been an entrepreneur.
Yeah. So I was actively in the Dubai chapter, which is very active here, largest chapter, and we have a largest membership, chartered accountants. I was served the committee 8 years. I was the chairman in 11 and 12.
Okay.
And very few we are the industry people when I started the career in the committee, whereas all others used to be practice. That also motivation, they have all of on practice.
Yeah.
And that is also was one of the seeing people that way. So I thought, let me start. And in 2009, started it along with a friend and as a branch of an Indian firm called MCA Associates, well-known chartered and Manoharan's firm.
Correct.
And that's how we started the firm journey. And with the scratch, I still remember we started in Sheikh Zayed Road. We in fact took it in a Sheikh Zayed Road, a 3-bedroom house.
Oh, okay.
But it was a big one for us. So in fact, we thought we want to be in Sheikh Zayed Road 1. Number 2, we wanted big firm so that if we want somebody, our client, we can give it to them some sublease or through our local partner. So with that thought process we started with me and my other partner, and then we had a first recruit was still with me, the T-boy Saravana was there.
Okay.
So from office boy, and then we had a first chartered accountant and a part-time we took it. Aarti, she is now in Coimbatore, and that's how we started the journey. Slowly we developed it. One thing was good, being a part of an Indian firm that time. So it was helped us to showcase that now we are not a new firm.
Correct.
We are always having some backing. So we always thought we are part of that. So and that's how we first from the initial year itself we started taking big clients, big projects and things like that. So, and our ambition is always that, we wanted to be. That's the reason why we positioned ourselves first in Sheikh Zayed Road, which was also always a very important one.
Correct.
That's how slowly developed, and we started building because we are the clients we've taken and all those. Then we started the audit license came, so we started expanding to audit and consulting, and then we one by one we in 2017 VAT also gave a good push for us.
Correct.
Where we are the first mover. We planned well in 2017. Now my other partner Girish, he is ex CFO of Enoch Retail. Well, so he also moved out and started his own consulting. He was doing on his own. So, and then he was doing with us some work. And then I asked him whether, can you come and join on board and do the tax? Because we need also dedicated, all these things require a dedicated senior.
Correct.
To drive a division, a country. And then he also moved in, and then we had a great journey in the VAT time, because initially we started all those aspects. So many people, big four clients and all, they came to us. That's how our VAT practice became very good from the beginning. And we had 28 people, 30 people working on VAT at one point of time, on a peak assessment time. That gave a good.
So you were the first movers for an Indian
absolutely
firm.
Indian firm on the VAT initially days.
Yeah.
Well, started the workshop, road shows, and very much in advance. In 2017 beginning, when in 2016 end and onwards we started it.
Oh, okay.
So that is how 1 year, 1.5 years work we have paid off well for us. And 2018 when VAT started, it gave us a good impact. And that's how we started. And then we had a Bahrain office where other partner Lakshman joined with us. Correct. And then we had my father, along with the partner, he retired from the firm. Then I onboarded the two partners, Lakshman and Girish, came with us. And in 21, we made a strategy to make this further. By the time we had one office in Sheikh Zayed Road, we made it 3 offices there. Oh. So it was grown, the firm was grown, but very sentimental. So we were there in the same residential. Only challenge was being a residential apartment. We had a lot of challenges of wastage of spaces. Correct. And not properly structured. We were looking for offices. And in 21, then I came here for this free zone where they are launching it. Yeah. And when they came, they invited us because we do have a corporate service division, and we do set up and bring clients. So they wanted to bring clients. Then we ourselves became a client. We came here, we saw the place, we saw very liked it, and that time it was very new, and initially, so we able to get a space as per what we wanted. And that is how we took it. And it was work, and I know all this thing. The office is very important, and now we took it with one expectation that this will be more than enough for us. But now, in fact, in 3 years, we don't a shortage of space, and we took another office in the same floor. Oh, okay. We have another office, so that is how we started it. And by the time, one by one, partners joined for a vertical. By we opened Saudi 2 years back. Then we had a Oman started 2 years, 3 years back. In the 21 to 24, we had a lot of changes. We had a strategy, 3 years, 5C, 2X.
So can you explain that strategy?
It's a 3Y is 3 years. We should have a 5 countries presence and double the revenue.
Oh, okay.
And fortunately, we did it in 2 years' time.
Oh, okay.
And always we say, and that is also, we had a very good Vinit Nair. One story we heard, ant becoming a butterfly.
Correct.
So it's always close to me that. So we always tell that there was 2 ants talking each other. They were talking, hey, I want to be a fastest ant. Another ant said, no, I want to be a richest ant. Correct. Okay, so these 2 ants are talking. The third ant came. Then these 2, hey, you want to be fast, I want to be richest. What do you want to be? Then he said, no, I don't want to be ant. I want to be a butterfly. So the day you think in those lines, that complete your journey, your transformation happens. And that's how our journey started. We want to be big, double, and all those things. Literally, like an ant becoming a butterfly, it started our journey. Now we have large 150 people. We have 18 partners, 6 directors, 5 locations.
So, sir, you started something called GYAN also. Tell me about it. How did you envision that entire aspect right from the beginning and bringing it to life? Tell me about that.
It's always in mind. See, we have to, when we do something, we should do something impactful, powerful.
Correct.
We have to be strong, large enough. That is always, see, now a sports person will always ambitious for an Olympic award or Asian award and things like that, or a cricketer in different way. Every field will have their own. So I was always thinking, what can we do in our profession would do, which make some impact, which is there for always. So in that edge, and then Modi ji's vision of talking in 2017 make me to think, why not we won't create our own network? It's something Himalayan task, but somewhere somebody has to start with that, and somebody will laugh at it. It's a joke what these people are talking, but somebody will appreciate at least we attempted it.
Correct.
So I was a person always ambitious person, as well as I wanted to attempt it. I don't want to miss it, that it's too difficult to chew for us.
Correct.
That is something which is not in my dictionary. That's how this global aspiration came, and slowly we were always thinking where to start with it, and we started connecting people across. When and we got connected with different. Then first we decided how to approach the people, where practicing people. So that's how we know, if I go take my MCA and go as a global, maybe the people will think it, how they will join with me.
Yeah.
So then I thought like we create a common name, so which is well go with the sentiment of every Indian.
Correct.
And that is how we created the name GYAN. And then we started approaching every people who are not having any affiliation, and having Indians who are practicing it, which will become easy target for us.
Correct.
So that's how we got 15 countries: Singapore, Australia, Canada, UK, like that. Many people who are practicing, they also were very keen to participate and join with us. That's how they all came to us, and we started this journey of a GYAN. And we look forward now. It's not for Indians alone. It's only we wanted to Indians started. We wanted to be a global entity where everybody will be participating in. Now we are going to expand it further with maybe 50 countries target, and then 100 countries to target, and then take it forward. And for all this important is India market. So we just entered in India market, and we will be definitely, because in India, as you know, all the exponential growth is happening, and the big fours have grown much bigger, and all the consulting, a lot of consulting opportunities are there because of the India growth story. So we also think that there is a good potential for consulting. So 3 other partners with large firms in India, we are joining, and we are like to create a global firm which is also doing well in India. Hopefully, we will make some inroads and some impact, because we do have a plan 3 to 5 years. And always my thought process, we should attempt it. We should not leave it. Okay, which is something which is possible. We should try it. It's not that impossible. This is within our field, our profession. So let's make something impactful, which is create a legacy for everybody.
That's nice. That's nice, sir. So you started off the firm as a regular CA firm, like, an association of Manohar Chowdhury and Associates. And then you brought it up like so much, and like diversified the different fields in which you'll also provide services in. Like I've read that you'll have 17 verticals. What sparked that envisionment in you?
See, as always, I wanted to be anything on the big scale. See, I always think that because I worked in Nestlé, I've seen that scale, and I know the size matters. And always I think that over a period of time, it will fade away if it is kept it in a small way and it will not grow. See, that's what I keep telling my people. In entrepreneur journey, there is only one thing is called growth. There is no saturation point. There is no like a satisfaction point.
Correct.
So you can be satisfied, but in the business is always we expect growth has to be happen. The growth has to come in multifold. And that way only we always keeps what all the opportunities available. And it coincides actually, but at the same time, if we bring people, we should have a right attitude, which is aligned with our thought process. So God willing, it happened that way, that we wanted to have fix one department, and people came, which is synergized with that, and they said they will also be part of it. So that's how each debate. Earlier, where group of people used to do multiple jobs. Slowly, when these leaders joined us, it became a separate vertical. Correct. And it become each one become a different vertical, and we have 17 verticals now. So that we have multiple services, which any top firms does that. And we also make one more important. We are the only one. We doesn't have any affiliation with the international firms, which is having this size and having offices across the region.
Correct.
So that's also one of the key idea. When we do not initially we thought we should be affiliated, But later on, when we have, then we said, why not we create our own? Why we should affiliate with somebody? That also made us to, the vision of GYAN to create, and also the so many verticals to happen, and also the so many countries to happen. That's where we said we want to be in 5 countries, because the GCC is a big market. Everybody asks us. So we thought like, why not we have a GCC grown firm, have presence across the GCC.
So you'll have it across the 5 GCC countries.
Yeah, only one missing. Kuwait is missing. Yet to start. We are looking for a right partner.
I think soon you all will do that also.
Hopefully.
Yeah, that's lovely, sir. And how do you all envision, like, say 5 or 10 years down the line, how is MCA going to look like?
Again, after 21-24 strategy, we had 3Y, 5C, 2X.
Yeah.
Now, last year we had another strategy for 25 to 27, and we have a 333 is a strategy. Okay. It's a 333. We coined it. It's called. In 3 years' time, we should be achieving a 3-digit million. Okay. Top line firm. Okay. And also our upper position. See, we today, even though we are not internationally affiliated, other than Big Four, in the top 10 firms, we are there. Correct. In multiple places in 6 and 7. So we would like to every possible way, wherever each vertical, we would like to up our position by 3 positions wherever possible. The growth has to be happened. So that's why we coined as 3333. That's our mantra for the next 3 years. And we see that in 3 years' time, this is what we want to achieve. Hopefully, we are in the right path. Mm-hmm. Last year was a good year, and this year looks good, promising. So we will reach that mantra of 333, hopefully. That's nice. I like how, you all are always, like, trying to fix a target, and then, like, working towards that, having short-term goals rather than extremely long-term goals. See, always I have the experience in so many years in Nestlé, multinationals. See, there are 2 things. One, we should have a long-term vision, where we want to be. But to achieve that, we have to take 3 steps to look at it to reach the top, instead of straight away to like that. Correct. So that's how we designed in that way. We have the long-term vision to create a global firm, GYAN, all those aspects. To reach that, we will need to reach every level of positions to create it. Yeah. That's where all this 3Y, 5Z, 2X or 333. So we will keep getting the 3 steps and going up in the ladder.
It'd be great if you can take me around your office and I can have a tour of it and also meet all the partners that are here.
Please, let's go.
After. Hello. Hi.
Meet Mr. Soundarajan,
nice to meet you.
our GRC partner, who takes care of the GRC, the governance, risk and control division of it. Nice. He's there for last 4 years now with us. He was a veteran in Dubai and 30 plus years in the government department, worked in a government internal audit department. So post his retirement, he came and joined with us and to take care of our GRC.
Nice. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hi. Meet Mr. Anil, who is our director for corporate finance. He's with us last 4 years. Takes care of all the transaction advisory and due diligence, valuations, feasibility, all the transaction advisory related services. He takes care of it.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Thank you, Anil.
Thank you. I already met him.
Nirav, you met?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. This is a pantry. This is our training room.
Oh, so this is the particular segment.
Yeah, the tamkeen means training in Arabic, yeah.
Nice. It's nice that I see MCA also training people.
Yeah. And additional staff area.
Nice, sir.
Where Varun is not here today, consulting division.
Okay.
He drives it. Hi. And the additional staff. This is totally around 6,500 square feet area.
Oh, okay.
Office space. We have the other side, which is another 1,000 square feet. This is our main meeting room, Akash.
Ah.
Okay, so and in fact we named it like Akash, Prithvi, and the Ma is a water in Arabic.
Oh, okay.
So that's how we concepted, and Samira, and then Tamkeen with this training. So we some name with the concepts. We did the meeting rooms, and when we came and saw this, also attracted us. Just closer to the airport. We every day keep flying, so our boundaries are limitless.
That's nice.
So that's also
so you all have live inspiration right in front.
Absolutely, on a daily basis, day in day out of it. So that's where we are fascinated by this.
That's nice.
So it's a good journey for the last
from a 3-bedroom apartment to this.
3-bedroom apartment to this. Now we are completing 4 years here. 3 years now.
Okay.
In this place. 3 years we are completing this place.
That's nice. So these are all meeting rooms.
We'll meet Ashok now. Come, we'll take picture.
Hello. Hi.
Meet Ashok.
Nice to meet you. I'm
Our
Gina.
partner for accounting services. So he takes care of all the outsourced accounting, outsourced CFO services. He's just with us for the last 7 years.
That's nice. Nice to meet you, sir.
So again a veteran in Dubai and the Middle East. We're being here for 30 years now in multiple places.
That's nice.
Thank you, Ashok. Yeah. Meet Mr. Kant.
Hi.
He's our partner for Saudi Arabia. He's a veteran in this Gulf and a veteran in Saudi Arabia.
Okay.
So last 3 years he's with us, taking care of our Saudi operations completely. As you all know, the Saudi is a big market and a very potential market, and we have kept it in a able hand to take it care. And comes with a rich of experiences from a multinationals to taxation practice, compliance. So he takes care of the compliance related in the Saudi market.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice meeting you.
We'll go to the other side of the office.
Okay.
I just opened it. This is something very nice ecosystem. So and for the staff motivation factor is very good. So the common pantries, people go out, and then down there is a lot of walkway through. Yeah. So that is also people go through, and so overall, it's a good feel factor for everybody for
a corporate office.
For a corporate office, those who are coming here, the clients, the other guests, as well as for the staff who are coming in day in day out. It's a really wonderful journey of the last 3 years.
That's nice.
So we'll take you to the other additional office what we have taken.
Sure. It's a nice setup, sir, that you'll have over here.
Yeah. So, good that we see what our decision is good now.
Yeah.
That's what it is. Hi. So this is where our financial services
Okay.
are operating, as well as we have 2 other senior people over there.
Sure.
Meet our partner for the financial services, ADGM.
Hello.
Mr. Parni.
I'm Gina.
Is a veteran banker, and with us last 2.5 years now. With him we started the ADGM office, and we are growing well in that.
My unit basically looks after the financial service entities which are registered in ADGM and DFC.
That's nice. Nice to know that.
That's a unique, it's a niche market one. So his team sits here.
Okay.
That's where we used to sit. He also sits there here. Now then the team expanded, so we moved.
I think you all are going to keep expanding even more and more.
Hopefully.
All right. Nice meeting you, sir.
Thank you.
Zoho.
Coffee. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Meet Prabdeep, our Director for Growth and Markets. He takes care of dual role for MCA as well as for GYAN.
Okay.
He is one of the key pillars for connecting ideas countries come together there.
Okay.
So earlier position, he was a regional director in the ICA Institute. So now he onboarded with us. Earlier also in the Avatar, he was helping us in the GYAN. Now he will be full-fledged. So he's dual, one for MCA growth as well as for the GYAN growth. Both will be taking care of it.
Nice.
So very lively person. has a large followers. He's also one of the influencers in LinkedIn, a large with a
That's nice. Nice to know
followers.
that.
Yeah.
It's nice to see CAs being like influencers.
Right. I had been approached by Zoho for the video, influencing video, but then my dad passed away and I had to leave for India.
Okay. I'll definitely reach out to you again then in that
Yeah.
case.
So in his, because earlier the regional director for the ICI, so
Yeah.
that's where we would have discussed with Narayan also.
That's nice.
So and that's why now we're happy that he is also on board with us.
Nice
So
to
we
meet
look
you,
forward
sir.
to further growth of it.
Nice to meet you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, meet Mr. Ram,
Hello.
our partner for digital
Nice
transformation.
to meet you.
Digital transformation, which is again a new division which started created, because that's one space which is pending for us to, as you are asking, how you keep expanding. We wait
Correct.
for a right person to come, right, align with our thoughts to then to create. This is one example. Another, we were always pending for the digital transformation, and that's very key for now with the AI, everything coming up.
Definitely.
And with a rich experience, he is a Big Four earlier, and IBM, 30 plus years again experience. He's now came with us, along with us. So to be in the journey of growth, and he will take care of our digital transformation. Ram.
That's nice. Nice to meet you, sir. Nice to meet you, sir.
Looking to build the technology and platform for the future with AI-enabled tools.
That's nice.
So
That's
it's
nice.
definitely one of the options we're looking at as well.
Yeah, thank you. I think we are honored if you all are looking at us as an option. But yeah, definitely we can always partner up and see how best we can serve you and your clients too. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.